Now let's start exercise 23. For each question, only one answer, okay? Only one is correct. So we have to choose the right answer among the three choices here and justifying the choice, okay? Let's start by the first one. 15 square, it's 15 times 15, or here I can write 15 square. في عندي هيدي الإكس اللي فوقته فوق, okay? Or I can write 15 times 15. It's 225, okay? So this one is 225 minus 10 square, it's 10 times 10, which is 100. 225 minus 100, I'm talking about 125. Let's check which answer is correct. 5 is not the correct answer. The 5 square, it's 5 times 5, which is 25. It's different from our answer. 5 to the power 3, it's 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So which of them is exactly like our answer? It's part C. Okay? Now, 10 to the power 12. Here, I don't have anything to calculate, and I'm not going to write 1 and 12 zeros next to it. We are in grade 7, okay? We have to think in another way. Now, 10 to the power 6 plus 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 is 1 million. 1 million plus 1 million, it's as 1 apple plus 1 apple, 2 apples. 1 million plus 1 million equal 2 millions. Okay? Here I have 10 to the power 6 to the power 2. We have parentheses and powers above each other. Here, applying the rule a to the power m, all to the power n. We said parentheses means times, so it's a into m times n. So 10 to the power 6 times 12 is, 6 times 2, which is 12. I've got the answer, so I can circle it. I can skip the third answer since they told me that only one answer is correct and I find it. But let's take a look here. We have 2 times 10 to the power 6. It means 2 times 1 million. So it's 2 millions. Okay? It will give us a different answer. Now 7 to the power 3. They don't need here an answer. So if they asked me to find an answer, I can say it's 7 power this sign, okay, like that. مثل 8 بالعربي. Power 3 equal 343. Okay, let's see here what we can find. 7 plus 7 plus 7, it's the same as 7 times 3, which is 21. Okay, they're talking about a different concept. Now 7 times 7 power 2, there's not a written power here, so it's power 1. 7 power 1 times 7 power 2. 7 is repeated one time, times 7 multiplied by each other 2 times. So 7 times 7 times 7, which means that it's 7 to the power 3. Or I can apply the rule a to the power m times a to the power n. So here, a to the power m plus n. We have the same base. I have a multiplication sign, so I have to add the powers together. Okay? Now, 7 times 3, which is 21. Okay? Here, what's the correct answer? It's part B. Done? Now, 2,500 can be, it can be what? They need a power. Let's see. It can be written as 25 times 10 to the power 2. Since there are 2 zeros next to it, so I'm multiplying by 100. It's 10 to the power 2. They didn't ask me for that. Let's see. Should I write here 2.5 divide by 10 to the power 3? If I divide 2.5 by 1000, then my number will be very small, okay? We know from grade 4 and 5 that when we have to divide by 1000, I have to move the decimal point 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and put a point here. So this one will be 0.025. 5. Fine. It's not our answer. So let's move to the other one. 25 times 10 to the power 3. It's 25. 10 to the power 3, it has 3 zeros next to it, right? Again, it's not our answer. Let's find the third one. 2.5 times 10 to the power 3. I have a decimal point here, times 10. So I have to move the decimal point to the right. I'm multiplying by 1,000, okay? So this number definitely should be greater since I'm multiplying. 10 to the power 3, I have to move it 3 times, okay? Here, I should have 3 digits. 2, 5, 5 is the first digit. Then 2 spaces should be filled by 0. Now, I get my answer, okay? That's it, please. I'm ready for your answers right now. Bye-bye.